Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome as a default browser on stock Android version 9.0, that is Pie. Okay, so this is my Android device and I have stock Android version 9.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. Okay, so let me open my settings app. Okay, let me scroll down at the very bottom. Let me tap on this system. Let me tap on this advanced. Let me scroll down at the very bottom, and you can see here I have this updated to Android 9. Okay, so I have stock Android version 9.0 installed on this device. Okay, so let me close the settings app. Okay guys, so before making Google Chrome as a default browser, you must install Google Chrome, okay, on your Android device. So if you don't have Google Chrome installed, so just go to the Play Store and just do a search for Chrome. Okay, and here we have the Google Chrome. Just tap on this because I already installed it. So if you don't have this installed, just install it. Okay, and after that you can close your Google Play Store. Okay guys, so first of all let me show you that I don't have Google Chrome as a default browser on my device. So let me open some links. Let me open my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this three dots at the top right. Let me tap on this settings. Let me tap on this help, and then let me tap on this terms and privacy policy. Okay, so let me tap on this, and you can see it's opening, and you can see guys it's opening in Opera Mini. Okay, so currently Opera Mini is my default browser on this stock Android version 9.0. okay, so let's change this to Google Chrome. Okay, so let me close this first. Okay, also let me close this. Okay guys, so in order to make Google Chrome as a default browser, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. It's opened, and guys after that you have to tap on this apps and notifications. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that guys you have to scroll down at the very bottom and you have to tap on this advanced. So let me tap on this advanced. Okay, and after that you have to scroll down to this default apps. Okay, so just tap on this default apps. So let me tap on this. Okay, you can see it's opened, and here we have the browser app. You can see Opera Mini is my default browser right now. So in order to change this, just tap on this browser app. Okay, so let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see this screen is now opened. Okay, so you can see I have three browser installed on my Android device. You might have more or less. Okay, so in order to select this Google Chrome, just tap on this. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. So let me go back, and you can see in this browser app Google Chrome is now selected. Okay guys, so it's now done. After that you can close this settings app. So let me close this. Okay, and let me show you also. So let me go to my WhatsApp. Let's open that link again. Let me tap on this three dots at the top right. Let me tap on this settings. Let me tap on this help. Okay, let me tap on this terms and privacy policy. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, so it's opening and it's opened. Okay guys, so let me show you that this is the Google Chrome web browser. So let me tap on this three dots at the top right. Let me scroll down. Let me tap on this settings. Okay, and you can see this is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay guys, so that's it. In this way you can easily set Google Chrome as a default browser on stock Android version 9.0, that is Pie. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.